Hello, my name is Voya and welcome to My Deep Guide. Today we're going to talk about the Supernote as a platform. Supernote is pretty much one of the most improved and most evolved platforms on the e-ink market today since the day it was released. So if you were to actually be able to compare the same device with the launch software and what we have right now, this would feel like several generations over, which in theory it actually is as far as software implementation goes. But the main amazing thing is that the users didn't have to buy a new device. They didn't get marginal small updates or anything like that. No, we're talking about almost generational shift. Certainly as far as writing latency and all these things, they were just massive improvements. Rata kind of symbolizes excellence in both customer support and maintaining product viability on the market throughout time. So they're managing to keep their over 2.5-year-old hardware products not only current and competitive and relevant, but they are also frequently setting new standards, and they are managing to do that through software upgrades alone. That is truly impressive. They also have a completely transparent software roadmap and hardware roadmap so that the existing and future potential users know where they stand and what they can or cannot expect from their devices. So complete transparency, again, top marks there as well. However, as inspiring and as commendable Rata's handling of the Supernote platform as a product actually is, there's always room for improvement. And there are things that are actually quite important that should be improved on the Supernote platform. So here's my top 6 list of things that I would like to see improved on the Supernote platform. Number 1 would be option to customize the functionality of the rear eraser on the pens when they are used with the device. Currently, we have an option to customize the button pressing pen, but we don't have the option to customize the functionality of the rear eraser. Currently, it functions just as a brush eraser, which might be fine, but there's absolutely no reason for it not to be able to be customized to work as a region eraser as well. Because I use currently the Kindle Scribe Premium pen, which has both an eraser on the end and a functional button here. Now, what I prefer to use is to use the button as a selection tool or the marquee so that I can quickly add keywords, titles, links, and all of these kinds of things, and use my rear as an eraser. But that eraser brush is very limited. I also rely, when I'm erasing, I like to do the eraser region tool, but currently that's not possible, and I don't see a reason why wouldn't it be possible. It's something that would definitely be a beneficial thing to see on the Supernote platform. Number 2 would be a shared clipboard memory, the selection clipboard memory between books and notebooks and documents, if you will. Currently, it is not possible to copy and paste handwritten content between that you write in a book. What you write in a book, you cannot copy it into a notebook, and vice versa. What you write in a notebook, you cannot copy and paste into a document. Now, both Books and Remarkable are able to do this, so this is an area where Supernote is definitely trailing back. And the good news is that this is something that's already on their software roadmap, so it is something that is going to be addressed. But at the time of making this video, which is already mid-April 2023, this is not yet the case, and we still cannot do that on our Supernote. So this is something that's quite important, and something where Supernote actually is lagging behind the competition. Number 3 would be the split screen functionality. Sure, the competitors, not all competitors have it, but Books does have it. So does the, I think, MatePad, Paper, and some other devices. And the good news still continues here as well, because the split screen functionality is something that is on Rata's software roadmap. So this is a feature that will be coming to the Supernote, but as of yet, we don't know how it will function, how it will be implemented. Track record is really good with Rata. They usually implement things so that they work in a really good way. So I have high hopes that the split screen functionality, when it comes to Supernote, will work well. But again, at the moment of making this video, mid-April 2023, that is a feature that the Supernote platform does not have. Number 5 is that as a digital typewriter, Supernote is it's a lackluster and a buggy experience as it is now, and it leaves a lot to be desired. And I've actually made a dedicated video about it a little bit earlier, so you can check that out and see what are all the details that I mean. But yeah, as a digital typewriter, it's not nearly there yet, or near the competitors even. And finally, number 6 would be the ability to export all of your LinkedIn title and all of that data as a project. Just imagine that if you could have all of your intricate links between notebooks and documents and pages and web pages and files and all of the stuff that you can do right now, that you can just hit export project, and what the platform does is collects all of those external dependencies and exports a zipped up file, which is, or doesn't have to be zipped up file, but something that is nested in a hierarchical folder structure, where you have the master PDF file that you open up, and your functionality still works when you transport it onto a desktop app or onto a mobile, and then you're able to navigate through the whole nested structure that way. That would be something that's truly, truly fantastic, and I think that would be something that would be a significant improvement to the overall functionality of the Supernote platform. That's it for me. I hope that you liked the video. If you did, please like and subscribe, and ding the notification button in the description below to get notified when new videos come out on My Deep Guide. Also, if you do like the work that I do, please do check out mydeepguide.com/shop and check out the MDO, or My Daily Organizer. What is a My Daily Organizer? It's a hyperlinked PDF organizer file that satisfies all your personal or professional monthly, quarterly, yearly, weekly, daily organizing needs in a very, very nice fashion, and it runs on multiple platforms. If you are interested to learn more, you can check out the MDO playlist, video playlist in the description below, to learn much more about what MDO can do and what it cannot do, and then consequently learn if that's a product for you or not. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, and see you in the next video. Bye!